Tigas ng ulo eh. Oh, zombie boy.
It's not a real battery. It's not a real wheel.
Handsome.
Han!
Tinatry talaga niya yun guys na makipag-usap sa inyo or tinatry niya. Pero parang nakikita ko pa rin na parang
Good morning, Philippines!
Come here! Come! You're crying downstairs. Come. Ha? Won't fit? Tapos ko lang pala kumain ng lunch. And mag-cut ng grass ako ngayon kasi hindi namin na-cut, diba? Ang ginaw dito sa bahay as in. So, magka-cut tayo ng grass. Ricochet and ricochet.
What?
Farwa siya. What? Mag-widwalk siguro ko. Kanang lang natin. Andito man yung asawa ko. Baka siya yung magka-cut. Ako yung mag-widwalk. Which one are you gonna do? You cut the grass?
Yeah.
Will you give me the look? It's charged.
No, it's not.
There, the thing over there, oh. Naglalagot ako, guys. Di ba, bumibili kami. Nagsha-shopping kami doon sa... Anong tawag nito? Hold on, guys, ha. Di ba, nagsha-shopping kami doon sa close store. Yung store na nag-close. Yung asawa ko, sabi ko, i-fit mo sa fitting room. Yun. Tinatry niya ngayon. Yun, hindi nagkasya. Yung pantalon, yung slacks. Dalawa pa. Buti na lang, hindi full price yung pagbili niya. Pero yun pa rin, kalas pa rin yun. Charge ko rin ito. Mga battery is mga ganito, oh. Para sa ito, pangputol ng sagbot. And meron na kaming blower. Ito, blower. Ito. Pang-blow ng mga grass. Kung andun sa driveway. Ricochet and ricochet. Because it's full charge, I told you.
What did you say? No first when I asked you.
I didn't say. I said it's charged. Oh my god, your hair need to be cut, and tickles me. Oh, I don't have my phone. Where is your phone? Oh, didn't you do it?
Okay.
I'll do in the other side now, huh, Tammy? Listen. Hey. I'll do in the back. And also, is the gear 2.5? Yeah, do a 2.5. Never go down, huh?
We need to get more gas too.
So why you... Oh, no.
Because this small ones are for...
Tilt it over first before you freeze. No. Ay, Tammy, no. Okay, I'll put this garbage too. Is it almost empty now?
Yes.
Yes.
This is almost...
Si Roxy umiiyak na. Kasi iniwan namin sa loob. Ayaw niyong maiwan sa loob. Ito pala yung widwalk namin, guys. Oh. Punta lang ako sa labas. And then I will be back. Babalik lang ako. Yep. Ilagay ko kayo sa loob. What are you crying? Do you wanna go out? Diyos, ginoo ko makaigwad lagi siyang lubot. Pero makag si ano? Si Basyang. Come here. You look like Basyang. You go out. Go out. Come out. Hurry up. Umuulan na guys. Bagyo na. Ulan at dalugdog. Pero yung asawa ko, tignan nyo. Andun pa nagta. Ulan na ha, ulan. Hindi namin matatapos guys kasi bagyo. May bagyo guys, may bagyo. Magbabagyo na naman. Ulan at saka dalugdog. Ito si Roxy takot. Takot ang baby. Takot si baby Roxy. Takot? Are you takot? Takot baby. Sumusunod. You don't like thunder, huh? Come here. Come here. The thunder won't bite you. Come here. Ito, hindi ito takot. Hindi ito matatakotin. Hindi. Nagkakat pala ako ng, ano guys, tawag nito, broccoli rub. Ang tigas ng ulo ni Tami. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw mag-ano. Tingnan nyo yan. Hala, lightning. Ang tigas ng ulo eh. Matigas ang ulo ni Tami. Ang tigas-tigas. Katulad ng ano niya. Matigas. Magas-tigas-ti. Magas-tigas-tigas-ti. Which spot that you think you missed?
I see right there. See?
That's fine, honey.
See over there. Right? It's going to be lots of spots. Because the wheels squishes it down.
Yes,
when you drive over it, you can't cut it because it's squished down, and then it pops back up.
Even if it's dry, it's still going to squeeze it.
No, it usually pops back up.
Anyway guys, Tami just done cutting the grass. Tapos lang niya. And then ako, nagsunod-sunod lang ako sa kanya.
Should bring that old lawnmower I got.
What old?
It's really old.
And no, that's
it's spiral like this.
Yeah, I saw that one. That's really big.
They cut really nice.
No, honey, just throw that out.
That cuts really nice.
Yeah, throw it out. It's like junky. You keep junk. You keep junk.
It's not junk, huh?
Yeah, it's not junk. It's been 100 years. You just wanna collect and bring it back here and then make this house crap.
No, it's good more.
Yeah, good more. Like in the future, I'm gonna use it. Like old.
You wouldn't use it because you have to.
No,
actually, you can stand on it, ride. Actually, you can ride it, but you gotta stand on it.
Even maybe a few years from now, we're gonna hire again because we're too tired in this cleaning up.
I'm too tired already.
I'm gonna
Don't want
hire
to spray
again.
all under the fence with no grow. Kill all the grass underneath the fence. I hate that. And it's a place for ticks to hide. So when the dogs go near the fence, the ticks jump on.
I don't have time. I have time. Right now, I'm doing. You do like that.
Of course, I don't have time.
I have time. You can see you do like that. I can see it when I'm editing, and then I want to smack it. Can I smack you now, advance?
Yeah.
And I try to weed whack, guys, and then I just finished that hilly area in the side, and then the battery died. And then right now it's still charging like that. When I do the blower and the thing, I don't even finish it. I use the thinner one. It like done quick. It's really fast.
Yeah. I'm not. I got 1 or 2 more big batteries that I use for my tools. I really don't want to kill them. But I use them for my tools. The little batteries are like backups.
I open it. Did you see it?
They're $100 each for the tools. Yeah, I saw that you open it.
Yeah. Oh my God, my scar, guys, I think will stay here forever. Yung scar ko.
Oh, this is generic.
No, don't buy generic.
$67, not for $70.
Yeah, even still expensive generic. You know, guys. I love you.
I love you too. I'm gonna buy it.
Handsome. Answer me, handsome.
Brand new, high capacity battery.
Handsome.
$40.
Handsome. Handsome big boy.
It's not a real battery. It's not a real one. It says it is. Real one.
Handsome.
See, this is genuine.
Handsome.
Han!
Look, Roxy. Here, don't raise your voice, Roxy. Doesn't like when you raise your voice.
Oh, Roxy, blah, 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 Roxy.
It was thundering. Thunder, rain, time, it just won't stop.
And lightning.
Lightning, oh my God, it scares me. I was filming, it scares me. And he just kept going. Now it's sunny and kind of like windy. But it's still cloudy a little bit, right? But it's still going to rain later, right? Let's see if I can answer a question. If you want to watch it, kung hindi pa ninyo nakikita yun, guys, tignan na ninyo. Now na. Cooking broccoli. Mag-cook tayo, guys, mag-cook. Okay, lagyan natin ng maraming oil. Kasi yun naman talaga dapat. Not really need too much. Lagyan natin ng oil yan dyan. Okay. Do you love me? Tapos lang namin ni Tami nag-film. Kahit ano lang good. Wala man si Tami masyadong tanong. Gusto ni Tami, gusto ng asawa ko mag-cooperate, pero parang hiyang-hiya pa siya sa camera. Parang gusto niyang makipag-cooperate talaga, 'di ba? Nakikita niyo nag-cooperate na siya sa mga vlog ko. Tinatry talaga niya yun, guys, na makipag-usap sa inyo or tinatry niya. Pero parang nakikita ko pa rin na parang nahihiya siya, parang iniisip niya ano ba itong ginagawa ko. Parang ganun ba yung niya. So yun lang, natural na yun lalo na si Tami na parang hindi talaga siya sa mga social media. So naintindihan ko, pero I'm very happy kasi nag-cooperate talaga siya sa mga video ko at saka sa mga question and answer ko na Kiki, do you love me? And yeah, I'm just very thankful, guys, dahil yan sa support ninyo at nakikita niya ba na nagsusupport kayo, parang yung hindi naman na parang excited na makita siya, yung lang ba yung mas gusto siya, mas prefer ninyo yung kasama ko siya. So parang siya, nainganyo talaga siya, pero hindi ko maipo-force talaga sa kanya na yung parang fully gano'n na talaga siya sa mga vlog ko, pero happy pa rin ako dahil supportive at saka slowly cooperating na yung asawa ko. Ayan, start na siya, diba? Mag-usap-usap na matagal. Yun, diba? Noon, ayaw talaga niyan, guys. Ito yung garlic. Niluluto natin, pina-brown natin. Diba? Ang daming garlic, diba? Yan. Paborito kasi ito ni Tami, guys. Na broccoli rub. And then, madaming garlic. Yun. Lutuan natin yung asawang paborito na niya. Ayaw ko sana nito magluto kasi dapat kamparin ba? Dapat inaano mo yung broccoli rub. Pero kasi gusto niya, ginagawa ko. Pero we all love this, pero si Tami talaga. And then, magluluto din ako ng lamb. Magluto tayo ng lamb. Kasi gusto din ito na mga paborito niya to. Lamb. Gusto niya yung lamb. Lame. Lagay na natin si kasi nag-start na siya. crushed red pepper. Maliit lang. This. Garlic powder and onion powder. Ito na siya, guys. Tapos, yung doon na. Yung lamb. It only talks when it's moving. Dimple's curious. Dimple's curious.
MaryAnn, I'm in the garage.
Bye.
Don't forget the light inside.
Love you, honey.
We do.
Drive careful, ah.
I'll try.
I'll talk to you later. Love you. I'll talk to you later. Drive careful, ha? They left, baby. Pee-pee time. It's time to pee-pee for my doggy. Let's go. Itong dalawa. Ang wild talaga. Hindi ko makita siya. What happened? Ang ganda ng feeling na makakat lagi ng grass eh. Pero nakakapagod. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, nag-baby na. Roxy, what are you doing up there? What are you doing? We're not going up yet. Come here. Come here. Why are you going in there? We're not going yet. Not yet. Okay? We're not going up yet. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video. Katatapos ko lang naglinis ng cat litter. Naglinis na ako sa kitchen. Yun, tapos na lahat. And, yun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Oh, thank you so much ha. Salamat sa inyo sa pag punta dito sa channel ko at saka panonood ng mga video-video ko. Thank you all guys so much for watching. Thank you again. Bye. Good night.